Time is, hold up. So it's 7:15 in the morning right now. And you know what time it is right now? It's time to run it back for North Bay. Guess what?
Wait, the subway happens.
I can swear, right? I take cut that. Something cyberpunk. Oh my god. What the heck? What did you do that? What do you do to deserve that, man? It's just trying to get to work. Oh my god.
Somewhere I have traffic moments in my
Bro, are you guys doing like your driver operator thing? You guys are just practicing it, huh?
It's driver practice.
Is this true?
Oh shit, I missed it.
Oh shoot. Damn, look at that drip. Damn, that's a nice car.
I stole it.
Yeah, but like, that's the point. Oh my god. Oh my god. They just took out the human player.
Least homicidal ever.
Come on. Come on. Get it. You got it? Oh,
Not today.
I've heard all these words 1,000 times. You won't ever change your ways, doing what you like. Well, I'm no one's fool. I'm no one's
bought a cheeky chicken. Oh. Bought a chicken. Feels good. Alright, room tour. Boom. It's compared to Newmarket, insane. Got the microwave. All the space. Alright, so there's a trash can under the sink. Fridge and freezer. Got the living room situation. Four. And then we have 2 beds. Can we get the bathroom situation? Can you turn on the light? Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my. Yeah. Oh my god. It's so much better. We take those.
No, look, it won't go down.
I don't want to see it. Bro. Man, that's just a shit stain. That's fine.
Okay, we're good then. It's like the moment there's like
Man, you want to explain what happened?
it's like the moment, you know, when you go in the hall, you know, when you're just like, why don't you go to the washroom at lunch? And it's like, washroom at lunch.
Watching my lunch. Like, Broski was sitting there watching Fortnite. Wait, I didn't change the zoom.
It's lit, dude. Where's my note?
Isn't this?
Doesn't that look succulent?
But this is
Oh my god, look at that chicken, bro. Oh my god, I want to shove that up my asshole. So we're cutting out the audio.
No, this is staying in.
Oh, this is staying in. So this is gonna go on the official FRC reel.
No. You think you know how to cut a chicken?
I don't care.
Just cut the leg.
Just cut.
Just
Yeah,
like,
I'm recording. I'm recording.
What?
Bro, let's
No,
wait.
correct.
Wait.
Can I actually do it?
Yeah, can you do it like legit?
Maybe trying like getting a fork.
Wait.
Get a fork. Just cut it now. No, just cut the leg. But get a fork.
Get a fork and just do it legit. Look at this shot. Is it like Han? Is it this a sex?
think-
You have to see this shot.
You
bro.
think I know how to use these? Fraser, I'm
Yes.
Asian.
I don't care. Just
I'm Asian.
wait,
I
what's in
don't
the way?
know how
What's
to
in the
use
way?
this.
Wait. I need something. I need something in the foreground.
No, that's interrupting the shot a bit. No.
Wait.
Background.
Wait.
background. That's a definite background.
Wait. Set the
about
scene. Set the scene. Wait. What is that?
That kind of looks like a wine bottle. But
No, it's fine. It's
It
fine.
does.
There's one right there. That one right there is in the background too. So
Okay.
keep it. It
We're all
looks
19,
nice.
right?
Yeah.
Wait, can you zoom out a bit? I think. Yeah.
Danny can get weed technically.
And alcohol.
Ooh, this is dirty.
I
Wash it. Try to keep this out.
no in.
No.
I got a bit of your shoulder. I don't think that's incriminating, right? Wait a minute. Other than the fact that I told you to come over here on the video, it's not incriminating, right?
No.
We can cover it up with the bottle.
Well, I mean, what? It's not illegal to
It's not
put
a,
a chicken in the microwave.
oh my god, the leg is jerking off the front. I'm gonna cut the audio. I'm gonna black bars this thing. Black bars.
I get the bone there. You don't know how to fillet a chicken. The chicken butt.
Why is there a hole?
What's the inside of the chicken?
Bro, why is it?
Oh wait, I almost got it. Yes!
Wait.
Yes!
Wait, we do the next leg.
Okay,
next leg.
wait.
Let's cut the chicken
Wait.
up entirely, and then after
Is it cold? No, like
touch it.
yeah.
Is it cold?
It is.
Okay, now
Wait.
don't heat it up in the
No.
plastic. Plastic is bad for you when you heat it up.
No.
Bro, the chicken's
is
already bad. It's
No,
not like a
this
batter.
is fine. It's fine.
Let's go. We good? Yeah, we get that money shot. Go on. As long as he doesn't hit the camera, I don't care.
Yep. Don't worry about it.
Okay, this might be a waste of money, but when you think about it, the amount of bullshit we're doing, I don't think it's actually that much of a waste.
No, it's not only.
No,
are
wait,
we-
oh my god, that chicken has been massacred. This poor bird was tortured to death, and then it got tortured to death, only for the person to do this to him.
Mutilating a chicken's corpse. Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god. Bro, some vegan right now is punching the air.
Okay, so let's go along the bone here. Let's go along the bone. Yep.
Bro, it's
No.
we will not show the culprit's eyes. He just shut his mouth and his nose. Oh my. Wait. Oh yeah, it's cooked already for us.
Oh yeah, because we're gonna microwave raw chicken.
For 2 minutes.
Alex was making fun of me for not being jacked.
Yeah, you know I'm recording, right? You know I'm recording on the camera.
You know, at Earl, you know the
Guys, this is our
solid
safety
plate?
captain.
You know the
FRC grade 12 safety captain.
Oh my fucking god.
You know the one that Tintin does? Like do. Like
They're like the
one
1 minute bell.
Yeah.
point and 610 in their locations. Red Alliance takes it 128 over 21. 3 ranking points for the Red Alliance. Of course, they weren't able to get that 4th ranking point that they were hoping for. It's going to the Blue Alliance, taking the win on that one. Winning 96 to 79, taking home 2 ranking points. Neither alliance managed to get an additional ranking point out of that. That keeps 41-52 in the number 4 position.
With another upset to 69. Job well done to 1374, 5870, and 7476 for putting up an amazing fight